Do you like the treat Grandma gave you? Do you like it? Hmm? Is it good? Yeah? Want to try another one? Here. How do you feel about that treat? Do you like it? Do you like Grandma's treats? Grandma's treats, do you like them? Oh. How do you feel about Grandma's treats? Yeah? They're veggie flavored. Tell Grandma about how you feel about her veggie treats. Okay, she'll get the point.